Hey guys, so I'm going to be unboxing the Chase Bay's brake line relocation kit for the 88 to 91 Honda Civics. This one is with the brake booster eliminator. I went with that one because I will be installing the Willwood master cylinder without a brake booster. So let's take a look and see what we got here. So when you open the box, what they give you, you got the contact card for Chase, a sticker, and it looks like the basic instructions on how to mount it. So that's what it comes. That's the package right there. And let's open it up and see how it all looks. All right, so let's take a look here. What we got? So we got the brake lines, and this will be the prop valve. Open that up. Okay, so at first glance, really well made. Fittings are already installed, so you don't have to install any of the fittings. Moving on to the brake lines. The brake lines look really nice. They give you that guy. They give you this guy, and they give you this guy. Now I believe this one is for the rear brake lines, and this one is for the front, I believe. Alright, so let's try to figure out how all this kind of goes together. So taking a look at the picture, just going by that picture right here, this will get mounted to the mounting plate of the master cylinder. This guy right here is going to get mounted on the top like that. So this guy would get mounted like that. So that's how that would look. And then this guy goes to the master cylinder. Okay, simple enough. This next little guy, I believe, because it has that end, I believe that one will be that guy right there. Okay, so I believe this little guy is gonna go to the driver's side, into the driver's side. So that one will go into this one. So that will screw on like that. And I believe this guy, this long one right here, will go to the passenger side, which will go to that one. Okay, so that's, I believe, how it looks right now. And this guy will get sitting up there. And then this last long one right here, it's hard to do. Because it has this T fitting here, what's going to happen is you're going to take the two lines coming from your rears, and it's going to get teed off into a single line, and that is going to get ran into there. So that's how that should look. So we'll take a quick look at it. That's how it's going to look. This guy, short one, going to the driver's side, longer one, going to the passenger side, and this super long one that gets teed off will go to your rears. Okay, so this is the Willwood 7/8 master cylinder that I will be using with my Chase Bay's brake line relocation kit. Now, one thing that I will say that you will need to buy is it looks like a 90 1/8 NPT to mount right there, because it looks like they don't give you any fittings for that. So that's one fitting that I will have to get. All right, and that's finally how it looks, all laid out and prepped until I put it on the car. The next one you'll see is me actually installing it on the car.